The best biceps workout for chin-up. Chin-up is a weight-bearing activity that can cause deep biceps muscle growth and back without getting a pull bar. If you have a pull-out bar installed at the door of your home gym, this is all you need to get rid of the set of chin-ups. As a lifter pulls his own body weight, the biceps are often exposed to heavier loads than one can lift with a barbell. However, elevators may do this incorrectly, combining shoulder and grip muscles. Benefits of chin-up. To make a chin-up, you only need to access the drag bar, which makes it one of the most accessible steps in this list. The chin-up allows you to lift your entire body weight, charging your biceps with more weight than one can normally bend. Your grip and shoulders will also gain some strength. How to do chin-up. It hangs down, the palms facing you, and the hands are almost shoulder-width apart or slightly wider. In a dead hang. Press your shoulders together and pull your body up, making sure you don't let the body bend inwards. Most people do this until your chin is on or over the bar. Thank you for watching and subscribes my channel.